I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I like to make easy keto recipes. Today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and I'm going to show you how to make a 4-tiered red velvet cake in less than 10 minutes. This is a cake made out of entirely chaffles, and it's topped with a white chocolate cream cheese frosting. Let's get started. To make the red velvet chaffle, you're going to need the following ingredients. We're going to use 2 eggs, 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, 1.5 tablespoons of sweetener of choice. I like to use monk fruit, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and then we're going to add some food coloring just to give it that nice red color. Mix these all together until it's fully combined, and then pour the batter into your favorite waffle maker. This makes about 4 chaffles, so just use 1/4 of the batter for each waffle. Let the waffles cook for around 3 to 5 minutes. This will be a softer, spongy, cake-like consistency, so this waffle will not crisp up. While your chaffles are cooking, you can move on to making the white chocolate cream cheese frosting. For this frosting, you're going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese, 6 tablespoons of butter that's softened to room temperature, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're going to beat these ingredients all together until it's blended and smooth. Next comes our white chocolate, and I'm going to be using ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips. I love these because they melt beautifully and they taste delicious. So you want to melt 1/2 cup of white chips into the microwave at 30-second intervals, mixing in between until it's melted. Then we're going to add the melted white chocolate into our frosting along with 1 cup of powdered erythritol. Beat that all together until it's smooth and creamy. Now it's time to assemble your red velvet chaffle cake. Just layer the white chocolate cream cheese frosting in between each chaffle and cover the outside too. This makes the perfect keto dessert for 2 people, and I love that it only takes less than 10 minutes to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you tag ChocZero with your pictures of your red velvet chaffle cake, and make sure you check out all of our other keto videos.